How to share a file on Dropbox with Bluetooth. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so easy and fast. Just go to Dropbox, as you can see right here. This is the home page. Now choose the file that you want to share. For example, let's say that I'm going to share this one. Click on those three dots and now scroll down until you find the export option. Click on export. Now all what you have to do is click on Bluetooth right here and everything will be done. It's so easy, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.